All right, guys. So I'm sorry, I'm not sure why there was no audio the first time, but here goes nothing. So the first thing you're going to do is log in. So the usernames are pretty generic, Insight 6, 7, or 8, and the passwords are ISPA1819. Once you're in, you're going to click on Reports, and then to see all of your students in your grade level, you'll click Export CSV. When you do that, you'll be able to download a spreadsheet that looks like this. The students can be sorted any way you like. I think they're automatically sorted by last name. The student ID number is just randomly generated by easycbm. It is not their K-12 ID. Then it has their grade level, and then it gets into their scores. So there are 3 math sections for each student. And then there is a fluency section and an online ELA section. So if you look in each column, you'll see the dates. That is the date that the student completed it. And then in the next column over, you'll see a score. That is their raw score out of, so for this particular one, out of 16, the total number of scores is in row 2 of the columns. You can scroll through all of the scores to kind of see each student at a glance. And again, the dates show you when the student completed it. In column N, you'll see that there is a student who is marked not finished. That means that they started to take it, but then they didn't complete it. And then over on the far right are their fluency scores. So that's how many words they read per minute. Anywhere you see a completely blank cell in the column with the test dates, that means the student did not begin or take the test at all. So those students are completely incomplete.